Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to design a bevel gear in FreeCAD. This project is very simple and beginner friendly, so let's get started. Open a new project in FreeCAD and create a new body on the XZ plane. Select the polyline tool and draw a trapezoid. With one side slanted at a 45-degree angle. The bottom length should be about 30 mm, the top length about 20 mm, and the height 10 mm as shown. Close the sketch and use the revolution tool. Click OK and you will get frustum shape. The bottom diameter will be approximately 60 mm, the top diameter 40 mm, while the height remains 10 mm. Make it the active body. Select the edges of the frustum and apply the fillet tool to smooth them. Tick the option to apply the fillet to all edges. Next, create a new body on the XY plane. Select the circle tool and draw a circle at the center. Add it and adjust the length. Move it slightly downward. Select both bodies, then switch to the Part Workbench and use Boolean Cut to create the shaft hole as shown. Create another new body on the XY plane. Select the Rectangle tool and draw a rectangle at the center. Pad it, adjust the length, and move it slightly downward. Select both bodies and use Part Boolean Cut to create the keyway. Now return to the Part Design Workbench, Create a new body on the XY plane. Using the polyline tool, draw a tooth profile with a top width of about 2 mm, a side height of about 5 mm, and a bottom width of about 4 mm. Make sure the profile is centered. Pad the sketch and adjust the length. Click OK. Then select the edges and apply the fillet tool to smooth all the edges. Adjust the fillet radius as shown. Move and rotate the tooth so that it is parallel to the slanted side of the frustum. Make sure about 50% of the tooth is inside the frustum. Select the tooth body and switch to the Draft Workbench. Go to Modification, Array, Polar Array, set the number of elements to 28, reset the center point, and click OK. Duplicate the array. Select the duplicated array and open the placement properties. Adjust the rotation angle until each tooth is positioned midway between the original teeth. Then click OK. Now select Cut 001 and Array 001. Then go to Part, Boolean, Cut. This creates the space between the gear teeth. You can now see the complete tooth profile. Return to the Part Design workbench. Create a new body on the XY plane. Select the Circle tool and draw a large circle as shown. Pad it, adjust the length, and tick the reversed option. Repeat the same process to create the smaller shaft. Finally, use Boolean Fusion to combine both parts. Now, one bevel gear is complete. Select all the bodies and place them into a part container. Duplicate the part and rotate it 90 degrees to create the second bevel gear. Now you have a complete pair of bevel gears. Now you have a complete pair of bevel gears. When one gear rotates, the other rotates at a 90-degree angle, demonstrating how a bevel gear set transmits motion between intersecting shafts. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.